no injuries to the police, and just simply took off, and that's how this all ensued.
And it looks like they're probably just going to
Now
let
he's going into a parking lot.
out.
Stop. We'll see what happens
He can't go
here.
much
He
further.
has stopped. This may be the end of this thing.
So he's taking off, running.
Okay, now it's a foot chase.
Okay, now he's jumped into another vehicle.
Okay,
All right, they're closing in. Looks like they've. We're going to pull out. We don't know what has just happened right there. It looks like the police have closed in on him. We don't know what exactly has transpired between the police. Stay with ABC 15 News. We will bring you more information as we get it. Also, check our website for updates, abc15.com.
Oh, man. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Phoenix Tower, Skybox 10. Just had a mid-air collision over here at the park. Two helicopters down. Oh, my God. It's Channel 3. That's...
Back around and get away from this. We do have two helicopters down during this crash. We're not sure which helicopters they were. Oh, this is bad. This is very bad up here, Scott. We do have major breaking news. Because of this crash, we have lost two helicopters. We're not sure which helicopters are down. They may be PD and also local media helicopters. We're not really quite sure yet, Scott. This is very, very tragic turn of events right here. We're hoping that these people are okay.
Daniel, are you and the pilot in a safe?
Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay ฉันจะช่วย